Crypto holders, prepare right now. This is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the Bitcoin price. Let's get right into it. If we take a look at the charts, first, I'm going to tell you guys why you need to be careful. A lot of people are going to get wrecked. But before I get into that, let's take a look at right here. So, as you guys know, the price of Bitcoin 3 days ago was down to what? 19,600. Yes, thanks to what? The Silicon Valley Bank collapsing. When we got the news, that was devastating. And then we broke this right here, this ascending channel. We broke it to the downside. People were very bearish. I was bearish too. And then we got the news that, we may be on a bank run, all this stuff. And then people started realizing what? That these banks are schemes, or Ponzi schemes. And now people are losing their faith in banks, which is why Bitcoin was created. And once people started to realize that, well, the Bitcoin recovery started, and then we saw this massive 35% pump in 3 days, guys. Do you guys understand that? The price of Bitcoin pumped in 3 days, 35%. Yesterday, it was as high as $26,571. A lot of the bears got wrecked. $307 million got liquidated. The majority coming from the bears. That's why I say, do not ever go against Bitcoin. But as you guys know, CPI inflation came out today, coming in at 6%, which did help the price of Bitcoin pump to $26,000 above it. Now, the next thing we need to be careful, guys, is yes, we are currently seeing a recovery because, as you guys know, in the real world, in reality, we're not going to see things go parabolic, straight up. We're going to see things go up and then a little bit down and then up again. So yes, this is why I'm saying, please be prepared, guys. Be prepared because we may see the price come back down because we have to wait for what? The FOMC meeting. Are they going to print more money? Are we going to see banks collapse? We have a lot of answers that need to be answered. Yes. So the future right now it's uncertain. We have uncertainty right now in the markets. But it looks like a lot of people are turning their trust to what? Bitcoin. If we take a look at it from a technical standpoint, we saw this massive pump. The MACD is showing a green dot for a buy. We need to also pay attention to the two biggest indicators in Bitcoin's price. First, the S&P 500 did see a bounce, which is great. As you guys can see, this descending line that was once resistance is now looking to be support. We are seeing a bounce. Great sign for the S&P 500 because there's a correlation between S&P 500 and the Bitcoin price. Now, moving on to the DXY, what do we see here? Well, thanks to the banks collapsing, people are losing their trust. They're moving towards real assets like what? Crypto, silver, gold, property. Very, very simple. They're not holding the US dollar no more. This is why we're seeing a rejection, and it looks like we're going to continue down to possibly 102. Once we head there, these two indicators alone is screaming what? We're going to see more green in front of us. So, what are my price predictions? Well, we get a bullish price prediction here. We have right here this price of 26,800. I do see the price of Bitcoin coming up here just to liquidate these people right here, these short position people. So yes, my price prediction is a $26,800 price. My bearish is what? Well, probably around a $23,000 Bitcoin. That's if things go very, very bad and we get a lot of bad information coming before the FOMC meeting. But as of right now, things are bullish overall because inflation's at 6%. We got banks failing, people losing trust in banks and turning their trust to what? Bitcoin. Bitcoin means freedom. It represents freedom. You guys understand that? Now, looking over here, why do I say you guys are going, to fall for the trap? Because, well, right now people are starting to buy. Well, we need to be careful. Why? Because looking at the EMA ribbons, the weekly EMA ribbons, right now we're still in a bear market. We need two weekly candles in a row, back to back. You heard that, guys? Back to back to close above what? 25,000, which is the weekly EMA 55, the blue line, to confirm a reversal. And then next, to confirm an actual bull run, we need the weekly EMA 20, yellow line, to cross with the weekly EMA 55. To what? Confirm a bull run. As of right now, we're still in the process, in the beginning stages, so things may get very volatile. That's why I'm just saying, be careful. But with that said, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis. I just want to remind you guys. But right now, looking at these two indicators right here, showing us a buy. Looking right here, MACD, showing us a buy on the daily time frame. Yes, on the daily time frame. So overall, we have three indicators telling us a buy. We have inflation coming in very bullish, 6%. That means inflation is slowing down. So another indicator. So we got four indicators telling us a buy. That's all I got to say. With that said, peace.